One interesting here is that especially the one on the left looks like a young bird still. That plus just the fact that they're sitting beautifully in the sunlight there, you can see they're all puffed up again. Same idea as with the impala earlier, just helps them warm up quicker. Obviously sitting broad or side onto the sunlight with the wings a little bit open, absorbing as much warmth as they can, but also again all that air that they can capture in between the feathers. See, these both look like young birds, huh, Jan?
I think so.
Even the right-hand one as well. The reason we're saying that is they also have a nice big crest, as you can see, but that crest will still thicken out and get a bit more lush as they mature more. Doing early morning aerobics. And also have a look at the definitely young birds. Just the sound, I just made a couple of sort of smaller sounds just now. It means they're not fully voice-wise mature yet as well. And also if you're looking at the feathers, the secondary feathers, if you want to call it the second largest feathers on the wings. So not the main long primary feathers, the secondary feathers on the front part of the wing, still looking quite sort of downy or feathery or fluffy. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this beautiful close-up view of this grey lory, or this youngster actually, like we said earlier, it's not an adult, running around there. Beautiful early morning light, and you can even see the way this bird is climbing still. It's a bit clumsy, sort of falls around a little bit. So they've probably nested in this pushed over tree area somewhere around here, lower down the trunk area maybe. Yeah, no, definitely, they'll only be doing their maiden flight soon, or maybe they just fly short distances. So this has been very, very cool. Beautiful morning out here. They were stretching and making all kinds of, as you can hear, starting to get. So yeah, some awesome grey lories.